For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an esthetician business can be an exciting and rewarding venture. With a growing demand for skincare services, many entrepreneurs are exploring this industry to build a thriving career. Thanks to advancements in AI technology, you can now leverage free AI tools to streamline your startup process, from planning to marketing and management. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to start an esthetician business using free AI, helping you save time, reduce costs, and increase your chances of success. Step 1. Conduct market research. Before launching your esthetician business, it's essential to understand your target market, competitors, and customer preferences. Use free AI-powered research tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to gather insights about local demand, popular skincare trends, and competitors' services. These tools can help you analyze customer reviews, identify gaps in the market, and forecast trends. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for market research. Help me analyze the esthetician services market in your city. What are the current trends, customer preferences, and major competitors? Identify gaps or opportunities for a new esthetician business. Step 2. Create a business plan. A solid business plan will outline your vision, target customers, pricing strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. Use AI to draft this plan quickly and professionally. ChatGPT can assist you in generating detailed business plans tailored to your specific needs. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for business plan. Create a detailed business plan for a new esthetician business specializing in facial treatments and skincare in your location. Include sections for executive summary, market analysis, services offered, marketing strategy, pricing, and financial projections. Step 3. Choose your business structure and register your business. Decide whether your business will be a sole proprietorship, LLC, or another legal entity. Use AI tools like LegalZoom's free resources or similar legal chatbots to understand the pros and cons of each structure and the registration process in your state. You can also use ChatGPT to draft necessary documents or to generate a checklist for business registration. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for business registration checklist. Provide me with a step-by-step checklist for registering an esthetician business in your state. Include license requirements, permits, and any other legal obligations. Step 4. Obtain necessary licenses and certifications. Estheticians usually require state licenses to practice legally. Research the licensing requirements in your state using government websites or AI tools like ChatGPT for summarizing official information. AI can also help you create study guides or practice tests if you need to prepare for licensing exams. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for licensing info. Summarize the esthetician licensing requirements and exam preparation tips for the state of your state. Provide a study plan for passing the licensing exam. Step 5. Plan your services and pricing. Decide on the specific esthetician services you will offer, such as facials, microdermabrasion, waxing, or chemical peels. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to research competitive pricing models and create attractive service packages. You can also generate customer-friendly descriptions for your services. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for service planning. Suggest a list of popular esthetician services with detailed descriptions and competitive pricing for a startup business in your location. Step 6. Set up your physical or virtual location. If you plan to operate from a physical location, use free AI tools like Google Maps and ChatGPT to find suitable commercial spaces, estimate rental costs, and plan your salon layout. For virtual consultations or mobile esthetician services, AI can help you create a professional online booking system using free platforms like Calendly combined with chatbot support. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for location planning. Help me create a plan for choosing the best location for my esthetician business in your city. Include factors like foot traffic, competition, and rental cost considerations. Step 7. Develop your brand identity and marketing strategy. Your brand identity includes your business name, logo, color scheme, and messaging. Use free AI design tools like Canva, which is free design templates, to create logos and marketing materials. For the marketing plan, use ChatGPT to draft social media strategies, email campaigns, and website content. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for branding and marketing plan. Create a branding and marketing plan for a new esthetician business targeting young professionals. Include ideas for social media campaigns, local advertising, and customer retention strategies. Step 8. Build your online presence. A website and active social media accounts are vital for attracting clients. Use free AI website builders such as Wix or WordPress combined with ChatGPT to generate engaging website copy, FAQ sections, and blog posts about skincare tips. ChatGPT can also help you create social media posts and captions. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for website content. Write homepage, about us, services, and FAQ page content for an esthetician business specializing in skincare treatments. Step 9. Manage client booking and customer relationship. Organize your appointments and client information efficiently using free AI-driven scheduling tools like Calendly or Square Appointments. To improve customer communication, use AI chatbots such as ChatGPT integrated into your website or messaging apps to answer common questions, send appointment reminders, and collect feedback. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for chatbot script. Write a chatbot conversation script for an esthetician business to handle appointment bookings, answer FAQs, and provide skincare tips. Step 10. Track finances and analyze business performance. Use free AI-powered accounting tools such as Wave or ZipBooks to track expenses, income, and generate financial reports. For deeper insights, AI tools like ChatGPT can help analyze monthly data trends and suggest areas to optimize profitability. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for financial analysis. Help me analyze the financial performance of a small esthetician business with the following data. Insert sample revenue, expenses. Suggest ways to improve profitability. Step 11. Grow your business with client feedback and online reviews. Collecting and managing client feedback is key to improving your services. Use free survey tools like Google Forms enhanced with AI sentiment analysis, available in some platforms, to understand client satisfaction. Responding to reviews can also be automated and personalized using ChatGPT. Suggested ChatGPT prompt for review responses. Write polite and professional responses to positive and negative customer reviews for an esthetician business. Starting an esthetician business using free AI tools empowers you to build a solid foundation without large upfront costs. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.